Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today at Dubai Mall and I'm entering towards the village side of it. They have named the store as the village, but it's actually opening towards the ice rink. It was a bit of a change for me as well because I haven't been able to access Dubai Mall from this side ever before, though I have been to Dubai Mall so many times that it's innumerable now. And there's a very different kind of artifact that they have placed over here. It happens to be a lion or a tiger, not a lion, it's more like a cheetah. And then you go forward and here we have the ice rink in front of us. But do you see these chandeliers? They were all around in this side of the entrance and they looked really well. Anyhow, we went inside and we were searching for something, but we had Cafe Nero in front of us, and this place was a bit very calm, which is a good thing because everything else or every place else in Dubai Mall is so flattering, and it's so full of people that you get lost most of the times. Anyhow, guys, this is skeleton of a dinosaur that was way before placed in front of Cheesecake Factory, but since the past few months, or you could say a year or two, it's been moved here. It's an actual skeleton. Later on in my coming clips, I would show you the history of it, that it was in USA and then it was being brought here, and it's really fascinating, especially when it was placed there in front of Cheesecake Factory. So it looked very glam because the lighting and everything is so much better over there as compared to here, but ultimately they have moved it here. And everybody was around it taking pictures, they were reading the history. So I also wanted to go forward and show it to you guys that in 2008 it was being brought here, and then it is 150 to 155 million years back. So yes, I'm here at the Chinatown part of Dubai Mall. Do you see how amazing it looks? All these boards, all these labels, and because the Chinese New Year is around the corner, they have lit all the area up, and every place and every corner of the Chinatown side of Dubai Mall looks so lit with lanterns and everything. And then we have this tree over here for us, the cherry blossom tree, which is all pink, and I love these labels and tags over there a lot. Anyhow, there were too much people over there, guys, so I am not being able to capture things much properly. I would apologize for that. I would definitely make a round and go to Dubai Mall in the daytime, early in the daytime, and capture all these details for you properly, so you get to enjoy Dubai Mall with me. Anyhow, we went there to the food court because we had to try the Chinese food, and this is some chicken with red peppers and peanuts that we ordered. Trust me, it was so good. I cannot even tell you. It was so good, and it wasn't spicy. The peppers weren't spicy. The spices within the fried chicken and the topping, the peanuts in the oil, the peanuts might be fried in. They were all so good. And here my husband was coming with his part, which was some beef with vegetables and rice. It was really good as well. It had all the Chinese spices within it. It was, for a change, it was really good. If you guys know bulgogi from the Korean dramas, K-dramas, you would know it's something like this, but a halal form of bulgogi. Anyhow, this was our meal that we enjoyed, and then we came here because our mouth got burnt with the meat in the sizzler. So we came for some boba tea in Kothe, and it was just okay. I took it for the first time, but I am not a fan of boba tea, I'm sorry to say. It was just okay. And from here I would like to show you guys this part we came for the car wash, the automatic car wash, and the process of it is so amazing that I just wanted to come over here and show it to you guys, how prettily, how amazingly this machine just wipes out each and every particle of dirt from your vehicle's body, because we live in such a environment. You could say it's a lot dusty, because it rains very rarely over here, so dust is everywhere. So you have to be very cautious with your car, and when you go for getting it cleaned, it's all dusty and full of what you say, black dirt. You'd see it in the coming clips as well. Anyhow, you guys, let's enjoy the process of the car or the vehicle being washed. But I would really request you guys to subscribe to my channel, because within the YouTube studio there is an analytics part where I can see the statistics of who are the people, or who are the ones which are watching my videos, and I get to know that the majority of you guys who are watching my videos haven't subscribed. So you guys need to subscribe, please, and this will help me grow my channel, and this will help me being able to show so much more content all around from whole of the Dubai and UAE to you guys. So I would really appreciate you guys to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in my comment box, and share and like my channel. Anyhow, like I mentioned it to you, that all this surf is being spread all over the car. Do you see the black dirt that is coming out? This is how much of a dusty environment that we live in over here. So after every, like, if you wait for 2 weeks and then you get your car washed, this is what you get. So it's better to get it washed every week, but then you don't have time, and it's costly as well you to get it washed on weekly basis. So we tend to wait for at least 2 weeks, and we tend to clean the front and the back mirrors in the meantime to put that dirt off it. And yeah, here it is, it's cleaning it again, because we took the package where we got it cleaned twice, so that all the dirt goes off the body of the vehicle. And yeah guys, I hope you are liking my videos, and share your feedback regarding how did you like my video that I filmed from the Coldplay's concert, which was a thing in the start of 2025 in the whole UAE, and people from all around the world, they traveled over here for that concert. So do let me know in the comment box what do you think about those videos, and I would really appreciate your feedback, and I would really appreciate if you guys leave your comments and let me know what else you want me to film for you guys from Dubai itself. I have prepared, or I have formed this video for you guys with the proper voiceover, because I've seen that you guys watch the videos with voiceover much more as compared to if I write the script towards the bottom side of the video of each clip. So I'll try to make sure maybe to give a combination of both. Sometimes it should be written, sometimes it should be verbal, and sometimes it's a mixture of both. Anyhow, in this one I have continuously spoken to you guys because I felt that you guys like me speaking to you and telling stories to you from my side, from this amazing city, from this amazing country that we call home now. It is one of the most safest and best places in the world to be, and I really am thankful for all the opportunities that we have been given over here. And I hope you guys are able to see this whole city, this the vibe of this whole place from the eyes of an expat over here. And but it's just like you really have to support the people who are bringing such content to you guys as well. Anyhow guys, I'll take a leave from here, but then I would wait for you guys to subscribe as much as you can, to share my videos with your friends and families, and to like and comment. And this is it. It took a few minutes for the car to be washed, and it was completely washed over. And this was the last cycle of splitting some water over the mirrors so that they get cleaned. And later on, it's like a dryer is now a dryer form of this machine is coming in to dry off the water from the whole body of the car. But later on as well, we park towards that vacuum bay where the staff of the place, they actually manually dry the car as well, though it would be dried by the dryer in the machine. But to make sure that there's no more water left, they manually tap it dry with some towel cloth as well. So that is it for today, you guys. And yeah, I'll catch up with you in my very next video, and a lot of interesting content has been shot for you guys. I'll keep on bringing it this week and in the coming weeks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you have hit the bell icon so that you get to be intimated whenever a new video is uploaded. So yeah, take care, you guys, and enjoy 2025 to your bits, because this is the year for you. This is the year for all of us. So yeah, that's it, you guys.